Hello, I'm Rowan Elsmore, Technology Specialist with Instruction and Achievement. Today I'm excited to introduce an important new resource that will help bring clarity and consistency to how we approach AI in our classrooms, our AI Classroom poster. This poster was developed by the AI Guidance Committee and serves as a practical framework that helps us live our commitment to student-centered decision-making and lifelong learning. It ensures both you and your students understand exactly when and how AI can be used appropriately with integrity at every level of their learning journey. As AI becomes more present in education, we need clear guidelines that protect academic integrity while embracing innovation. Our poster provides a 5-level framework that moves from no AI assistance allowed at all the way up to AI as a co-creator. Regardless of the level we're at, the key point is this: students are responsible for ensuring that all work reflects their own thinking, learning, and creativity. I'll walk you through each level with a few examples. Level 1 is pretty straightforward. There's no AI assistance allowed here. This is things like in-class essay exams, math problem sets, science lab observations, or personal reflections. At Level 2, students are allowed to use AI tools to assist in their brainstorming, so generating ideas, but they must do all of the final content creation. So this could be using AI to brainstorm essay topics, getting AI suggestions for science project ideas, or asking AI for different perspectives on an event before writing their own analysis. Level 3 allows AI use to help with some initial drafting, but the final version needs to be revised by the student. So this could be things like having AI create a rough outline that students then write a paper on the back of, using AI to draft a basic paragraph and students could rewrite, or getting AI to suggest some transitions between ideas that students are then refining before utilizing. At Level 4, this is where AI can be a collaborative creator with the students. So AI-generated content can be included, but the student must critically evaluate and edit any contributions that come from AI. This would be things like creating a presentation where AI generates slides that the students are fact-checking, customizing, developing a coding project where AI is writing some of the functions, students are debugging and modifying those to fit their project, or a research paper where AI is helping synthesize sources that students verify and then put into some context. At Level 5, we are allowing extensive use of AI in content creation. So some examples here that could fit: things like creating an interactive story where AI generates plot branches that are based on student parameters, or developing a business plan where AI is running some simulations that students interpret and apply something to, or designing an art project where AI generates variations that students can then curate and justify. Some best practices when using this poster. Number 1, be explicit. Always specify which level applies to each assignment they're going through. Post it prominently, make the poster visible, make sure it's utilized regularly so students can reference this. Start conversations. Use this as a springboard to actually get conversations going with your students. If you can engage them with thinking deeply about the learning they're trying to do and whether AI use would support that or hinder it, and in what ways, you can really get them involved in the process and build a lot of buy-in. When in doubt, students should ask before using any AI tools. This poster creates common language across our district, directly supporting our strategic priorities of achievement through aligned instructional practices, equity by ensuring all students understand expectations, and resources by providing the technology guidance needed for dynamic learning environments in a rapidly changing world. Together, we're living our core values of integrity, collaboration, and lifelong learning, preparing students not just to use AI, but to use it thoughtfully and ethically in our classrooms and beyond. Your building will continue to explore AI as part of our teaching and learning process. Thank you for your commitment to our students.